Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you ever feel that afternoon slump hitting you like a ton of bricks? You're struggling to focus, your energy is tanked, and all you want to do is take a nap. What if I told you the solution might be simpler than you think and sitting right in front of you? It's not some expensive supplement or a fancy energy drink. It's just plain, simple water. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible, often overlooked benefits of staying hydrated. We'll explore how water impacts everything from your physical performance to your brain power, your mood, and even how you look. So, grab your water bottle, take a big sip, and let's get into why H2O is the ultimate life hack. You might be surprised by just how powerful this simple habit can be. First up, let's talk about your body. Our bodies are about 60% water, so it makes sense that every single system depends on it. Think of water as the oil that keeps the engine running smoothly. It helps transport nutrients to your cells, gets rid of waste products, regulates your body temperature through sweat, and lubricates your joints. Ever feel stiff or achy? Dehydration could be a culprit. When you're properly hydrated, your muscles and joints work better, reducing the risk of cramps and sprains. This is especially crucial if you're physically active. Even mild dehydration can significantly impair your performance, making you feel weaker and slower. So, whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or just walking the dog, keeping that water intake up is key to feeling your best and performing at your peak. It's the foundation of physical health. Now, let's move on to something we all want more of: energy. How many of us reach for another cup of coffee when we feel tired? While caffeine can give you a temporary jolt, it's often a band-aid for the real problem: dehydration. One of the very first signs of dehydration is fatigue. When your body doesn't have enough water, your blood volume can decrease. This means your heart has to work harder to pump oxygen and nutrients throughout your body, which is incredibly draining. It's a chain reaction. Less water means thicker blood, a harder working heart, and a more tired you. By simply drinking enough water throughout the day, you can maintain optimal blood volume and circulation, helping your body function efficiently and keeping your energy levels stable. So next time you feel that wave of exhaustion, try drinking a large glass of water before you brew that third coffee. You might find it's exactly what your body was craving. Okay, let's switch gears and talk about your brain. Your brain is a powerhouse, but it's also incredibly sensitive to your hydration status. In fact, just like your body, your brain is mostly water, about 75%. When you're dehydrated, your brain feels it, and it feels it fast. Studies have shown that even mild dehydration can impair cognitive function. This means things like your concentration, alertness, and short-term memory can all take a hit. Ever have one of those days where you feel foggy, you can't focus on a task, or you keep forgetting simple things? Check your water intake. Dehydration can shrink brain tissue, making it harder for your brain to do its job. It can also affect your mood, leading to feelings of anxiety or irritability. Keeping your brain hydrated is like giving it a constant, clean fuel source. It helps you stay sharp, focused, and mentally clear. A well-hydrated brain is a happy and high-performing brain. Beyond the big things like energy and brain power, staying hydrated has some amazing benefits for your appearance. Want clearer, healthier-looking skin? Water is your best friend. Proper hydration helps your skin stay plump and elastic, which can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. When you're dehydrated, your skin can become dry, tight, and flaky, making it look older and more tired. Water also helps flush out toxins from your system, which can contribute to a clearer complexion and reduce breakouts. Think of it as an internal moisturizer. While lotions and creams work from the outside, water works from the inside out to give you that healthy glow. It's the most natural and affordable beauty product you can find, and its effects are more than just skin deep. It's about supporting your body's natural detoxification processes for overall health. So, the big question is, how much water should you actually be drinking? You've probably heard the 8 glasses a day rule, and that's a decent starting point, but it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. Your individual needs can vary a lot based on factors like your age, your activity level, the climate you live in, and your overall health. If you exercise a lot or live in a hot environment, you're going to need more water to replace what you lose through sweat. A good way to gauge your hydration is to pay attention to your body's signals. Are you thirsty? That's a clear sign you're already on your way to being dehydrated. Another simple check is the color of your urine. Ideally, it should be a pale, straw-like yellow. If it's dark, it's a strong indicator that you need to drink more water. The key is to be mindful and sip consistently throughout the day rather than chugging a huge amount all at once. Let's talk about some practical tips to make staying hydrated easier, because, let's be honest, sometimes we just forget. My number 1 tip is to carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere. If it's right there in front of you, you're so much more likely to sip on it. You can even get bottles with time markers on them to help you stay on track. Another great idea is to eat your water. Many fruits and vegetables have high water content. Things like watermelon, cucumbers, strawberries, and oranges are all fantastic, hydrating snacks. If you find plain water boring, try infusing it with flavor. Add some lemon slices, mint leaves, berries, or cucumber to make it more exciting. You could also try sparkling water or unsweetened herbal tea. The goal is to find what works for you and turn it into a consistent habit. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Now, I want to address a common myth. Do other drinks count towards your hydration? The answer is yes, but with some caveats. Drinks like milk, juice, and herbal teas are mostly water and can definitely contribute to your daily intake. However, be mindful of sugary drinks like sodas and many fruit juices. While they contain water, the high sugar content can have other negative health effects. What about caffeinated drinks like coffee and tea? For a long time, people thought these were dehydrating, but recent research shows that in moderate amounts, they don't necessarily lead to dehydration for most people. The water in them typically offsets the mild diuretic effect of the caffeine. The best choice, however, is always plain water. It's calorie-free, sugar-free, and exactly what your body needs with no strings attached. So, while other drinks can help, make water your primary source of hydration, let's do a quick recap of what we've covered. Drinking enough water is fundamental for your physical health, lubricating your joints and helping your muscles function. It's a massive source of natural energy, preventing the fatigue that comes from your heart working overtime. It's critical for brain function, keeping you sharp, focused, and in a better mood. It even helps your skin look its best by flushing toxins and keeping it hydrated from the inside out. We've learned that your water needs are individual, so it's important to listen to your body and aim for consistent sipping throughout the day. And we've gone over some easy tips, like carrying a water bottle and infusing your water with natural flavors to make this healthy habit stick. It's incredible how such a simple action can have such a profound impact on your entire well-being. To wrap things up, I want to challenge you. For the next week, make a conscious effort to increase your water intake. Pay attention to how you feel. Do you have more energy? Is it easier to focus at work or school? Do you feel better during your workouts? I have a feeling you'll be pleasantly surprised by the results. Building this one simple habit can be a total game changer for your health. It's not a quick fix or a fad. It's a foundational pillar of a healthy lifestyle. Start small, be consistent, and listen to your body. You've got this. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this video inspired you to give your water bottle a little more love. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your favorite ways to stay hydrated? Share your tips with the community. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay hydrated.